Hello from Slovenia again. Today is the third part of my experiments with dish soap in acrylic pouring, and today I mixed this dish soap with water and put it in the spray bottle. You see? And I will do a flip cup and then spray this on top, and we will see if there will be any reaction. And because I'm doing an experiment, I use this little 8 by 8 inch canvas and primary colors and white. And I will start with some white on the bottom. I always do blue on the top, I don't know why. Maybe because I like blue the most from those colors. And primary magenta. And my paints are mixed with Oatrol, Floetrol and water in, I will say, more on the thin side, because I think that with this technique, with the dish soap, it doesn't react as much with thick paints. I think it's different than silicone, and reactions are different, but yeah, we will see what will happen if we do that. Okay, so I flip it on my canvas. I will wait for a second and then I will lift it up. Quite some cells already. Okay, already quite some reaction. So let's do that. Let's spray. This doesn't react with the heat gun because it's not a silicone oil, you know, it's just a dish soap. So there is no reaction that I would say that it's nice. So I will put my canvas down of the spinner. If you remember when we dipped the dish soap on, you know, you get some kind of effects like a jellyfish one. But if you spray it on, there is no reaction. But it's a cool composition anyway, so let me take you down. So here she is, kind of a sunsetty looking, or how can I say? But you see a ton of little dots or cells that are not, I don't know, anything special, I will say. But it's a cute painting anyway, a little one. Yeah, different one. Again, I filmed this on Monday that you are watching, so no dried results today. Yeah, it's a busy week. So thanks for being here, and you know, I just want to complete this series with this one. Maybe some of you will like it because it's kind of cool. It's different looking, but it's cool. I don't know, in a way. So yeah, thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one on Wednesday. Bye.